Here at the desk. We'd love for you all to grab that as well. The vertical relates to our relationship with God. The Bible tells us we can have a relationship with the God of the universe, which is amazing. The creator of the universe wants to know you personally. So vertical relates to that. So that's where the name comes from. This has been a couple years in the making. Me and my staff and leadership team and my wife Lacey has been unbelievable for her support. So thank you so much. I'm going to pray. We're going to cut this puppy. We're going to get having some fun. Does that sound cool? All right, let's 1, 2, 3. This is Todd Buck, the sports pastor here at Vertical Sports. Today we've celebrated the launch of Vertical Sports here at First Baptist Church, Millington, with a ribbon cutting ceremony. The Mayor, Terry Jones, was here, the Chamber of Commerce was here, as well as celebrate that. We had our cheerleaders, our basketball teams here, just to celebrate what God is doing here at Vertical Sports. So it's been a multi-year process, 3-4 years back to get to here, January 4th, 2020. The Chamber, our church here at FBC Millington, coaches and volunteers, our leadership team, and my wife Lacey have been super integral in getting this ministry off the ground, this new name for our ministry off the ground. So we have leagues for you right now. We have leagues for ages 4 all the way up to 99. Youth and adult, multiple sports, basketball, baseball, archery, soccer, volleyball, you name it. We'd love for you to take part here at Vertical Sports and see what it's about. So check out our website, fbcmillington.org/verticalsports, or we'd love to hear from you. Our phone number is 872-2264. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.